Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some glam home decor items. We're going to be making a glam mirrored tray, and it's going to be a little mini tray. We're also going to be making some glam centerpiece decor. So what you're going to need some of this floral diamond wrap, and this is from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now, what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you will need a pack of these silver napkin rings. You'll need 1 pack of these round glass Tealight holders. And you'll need 2 packs of these star-shaped glass Tealight holders. You'll need two of these round vases, the fishbowl shape. You'll also need 1 pack of these little candy dishes in silver. And you're going to need 2 of these round mirrors. Now, if you can't find the star shapes or the round glass Tealight holders, you can use any shape that they have in stock. And I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you like to make any components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, didn't these Glam home decor pieces turn out absolutely beautifully? The little mini mirrored tray will be super easy and versatile to use. You can make only one of these staggered height candle holders and use it as a beautiful vase. That will work as well. So they're both very versatile pieces. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Thank you all very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.